Hello and welcome everybody. NIO stock on 26th November. So let's see what would happen if the NIO stock is going to be one of the stocks that can be applicated nowadays. So according to what we see on one day update, that is going to be interesting and simple. So just follow this video step by step. Since we go for the price here, this is going to be such a valuable thing that should be take care about. So this is going to be this part and this part here, so I think this is going to be very important about what we should take care about for this increase in NEO stock. If there's going to be the slope line movement as it was on this part or on this part. So I think this is going to be such a continuous movement for the slope line strategy. That's what we wanted to explain on the price prediction on NEO stock today. Hope you benefit from this video.